Hi, I'm Dr. Shannon Ferguson and this is Move It or Lose It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to stretch the shin. When I say stretching the shin, what I actually mean is stretching the tibialis anterior, which is the muscle on the front of the lower leg and just lateral to what we call the shin bone. And it's responsible for things like shin splints and ankle pain. Stretching the tibialis anterior can actually be really difficult because of where it's situated, but this is the way that I've found to stretch it and relieve some of that pain. So to begin stretching, I am going to curl my toes under and then straighten my leg, and you should feel the stretch across that tibialis anterior. And here's from the front, so curling my toes under and then straightening the leg. And you can wiggle around with the angle of your ankle until you feel the best stretch for you. There's another way to do it, and it's on the floor. So I've rolled up a towel and I put it on the floor, and then I'm going to put my toes on top of the towel and then lean back onto my heels, and I feel the stretch right across my shin. And for all of these stretches, whichever one works best for you, make sure that you hold between 30 seconds and a minute, and not to the point of pain, just to the point of a gentle stretch. Here I've leaned back to get a little bit more of an intense stretch. Thank you for watching my video on stretching the shins or the tibialis anterior. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please subscribe to get more updates on stretching and pain-free living.